follow. Then here you would like to install a USB charger for the smartphone, which will be sitting here, because currently, as you see, is nothing there. The first step you have to do, it is take it out the shift gear, cover for shift gear, and central the panel as well. But on the back side, you have to take out, remove it, the air condition panel, where we will continue with the installation of the cables. When you are done with the uncovering, everything looks like this, because across this hole here we're taking out the cables. From this point we will connect the USB chargers in the front part. Therefore we will going with the wire from here to here. With these wires. When you have the wire like this inside, we're going to the front part and continue with take him out. From here we will take the cable and bring him to the front, where will be the USB charger, which will be somewhere here. We are here. Currently I need to plug it. Don't going across the shift gear, because otherwise will make the trouble for us. And going on the side, something like this. Here it is waiting for installation. Then we will prepare this part for connect and soldering on the connector here. Therefore I have to uncover this cable. We are going to use just the 2 wires there, because it's not necessary the third one, and this one we are cut out. When you are prepared, and you can see it, that cables will going like this. One point it will be soldered right here to here, and second to here, on these 2 points. Okay. It's electrical isolation tape. Okay. Right now I'll pull this cable across the hole, and we will cover all back from the back side. When you are plugging this part back, after you are soldering, we can move it to the front part, where we will continue. Here is the cable, which we are already prepared to be ready for next installation. And next step, it will be on the main cover to take out this holder and drilling here the hole for USB charger. Okay, right now we will put out these 4 screws. Okay, when you are cut the hole, what you see it here, after a little bit, adjust the USB charger where I'm cut it, the bottom part to is able to sitting there. We can plug inside and it will be looks like this. I'm turning it on this way because of the interior of the car in this corner. It's quite tiny place there, and after that probably I have to adjusting more, I will see later. But currently, like you see the right now here, I will take a glue and glue it to make it stable. After that, this part will be ready and we can continue for our plug full technology inside of the car. Okay. And let it dry. You can a little bit helping to drying with the hair dryer, which we will going to do. When this part is already dry and fixed well and stable, we can plug back this module to the central panel and screw him there. Okay, sit well? Yes, perfectly. Now the screws. Okay, done. Right now we are preparing the cables for connect the USB charger. Okay, when we have this one done, going to prepare the connector on the USB charger as well. Right now, because we are going from this way to up, I have to connect it like this. First cable connect here. The second cable connecting here. Okay, when it is soldered, one the middle pin, one the outside pin. After that, I will use the tape and covering and secure the cables. Okay, we can to start. Okay, done. Right now, when it's done, the electrical connection, we can start the car and check if the charger are working well. Then first, start the car. It is possible to see the LED is shining. It's good mark. Right now, we will connect there the USB cable. Okay, this part is connected, and we will try if it start to charge the phone. Phone start. It is start charging. That's perfect. Currently, we are with the electrical part done, and we can connect everything together inside of the car, finish all the polishing to looking like before. First, we are going to connect the control panel in the middle. It's a socket which is here. When this part is done, after that, plugging carefully the central middle console inside and taking care for points where should to be sticked, because here we still have a lot of cables and wires which should be connected properly. Okay, right now, because this part is done, we can cover the rest of the cable to not holding the other places. And again, we will use the blue electrical tape to fix it here, make it a run and fix him here. Okay. Right now it's going to test whether is something going to the short or not. This is the parking position. It's the reverse parking. Menu. Perfect. Radio. It's working. Option. Info services. Car service. Check control messages. No fault. Perfect. We are in the parking. Still shining on the blue. Next test. Again. Perfectly. It's charging. Then everything works perfect. We can put there the cover for shift gear. Start to connecting the cover for shift gear. It's already working. You can see the P as a parking. And right now I will bring it back. Okay, when the cover for shift gear it's on place, after that we will putting back the shift gear itself. For putting a shift gear you have to change the position to number D, switch off the engine, keep it on the D and straight plug down this. Right now should be in the parking and locked. Okay, right now the final test it is if the shift gear it is plugged properly in a place. Start the car, move on D, release, try to drive. Okay, reverse, try to go back, going, okay, parking, done. If you are continuing like this, so you should to have right now install a USB charger. But take care, all of this installation it is made by your own risk. I don't take any responsibility if something will broken, burn, or you will choose the wrong cables for installation. For a full installation it is necessary to use the proper electrical stuff, and if you are not electrician, technique, or you are not able to know how to work with electricity, please don't do it by yourself, but asking for somebody who is more responsible.